One of the great things about Chaser Systems' DiscrimiNAT firewall for egress filtering is the micro-segmentation it gives us. By using the description field of either the AWS security group or the GCP firewall rule, you can attach one or more rules to a machine or group of machines, and individual machines get their own egress whitelist. But building a whitelist can be tricky, so let's see what we can do on AWS to make this easier. First, ensure you have a security group attached with our see-thru mode set on it. This mode allows the machine to work completely normally with full internet access, but DiscrimiNAT will be comfortably logging all access to all domains, and it allows you to build a whitelist without affecting the box's access. The rule must be set to allow all ports and all protocols, and an IP range of 0.0.0.0/0. Now for the fun part. Open up Cloud Shell on the AWS console, and first we're going to have to set an environment variable. Set security group ID to the ID of the security group that contains the see-thru annotation and is applied to your machine. You'll see that here when you go into the security groups in the console. Now we're ready to copy and paste the first command from the description. This command will pull all the appropriate logs out of CloudWatch and put them all into a JSON document for processing later. By default, this will pull out the previous 2 hours worth of logs. If you want to change this, just change the number here on the command to whatever you want it to be. The reason it's best to store this in a document for processing is in case you want to start changing the JQ queries in the second command to get slightly different information out. There's no real point in running the query again if that's what you're going to do, especially as it's not free. Now we have the data out. It's time to take that data and turn it into a usable shape. It's time to run the second command, copy and paste this. A couple of notes about this first. We use raw output because we don't want any of the data being escaped, and it arranges the domains in the order of the most frequently accessed, so you can make an intelligent decision on whether you want to allow them or not. Because of course, just because a machine is calling out to a website, it doesn't mean you necessarily want it to, or that it's useful for it to do so. Now we've run this command, we have a nice list of domains in order of frequency, so we can just copy and paste this, right? No. Look here, one of the results is evil.com. We don't want machines connecting to that. And this also proves that just because a machine is connecting to something a lot, it doesn't necessarily mean it's wanted or safe. An example of unwanted traffic if you're using Ubuntu is api.snapcraft.io. Snap is a useful tool, but for servers you're probably not going to use it, so there's no benefit to allowing it through. And there you are. You can now, using see-thru mode and a couple of Cloud Shell commands, pull through a list of domains that machine or group of machines has accessed in that period, so you're ready to edit it and put it into a whitelist.